Argonne does many things that are very important for the production of biofuels. We are primary sponsor there is the Department of Energy's Bioenergy Technologies Office, and we work on many aspects along the chain. We work with farmers on how to help them grow feedstocks, biomass feedstocks.
And I work with biomass producers, whether they're farmers or farmer managers or other people who make decisions at the farm level, because it's really through having their input that we can actually create solutions that work. The promise is that we are using these crops which have deep roots, a little bit like these trees behind me, and to not only deliver the energy that is required, but also some level of services that will benefit the environment.
We work on ways to make fermentation, how to make bugs take sugars and produce molecules that would look like gasoline. We work on catalysts, which are small metal complexes that help convert them into the types of molecules we want. We work on processes called separations. How do we take this mixture of lots of different things and isolate and purify the molecules that we really want for the fuel?
In the United States, we generate over 8 million dry tons of biosolids from wastewater treatment plants, as well as we generate over 335 million tons of manure from agriculture activities. To treat and manage and dispose that much of waste, we need to spend over $2 billion. Waste to energy is an emerging field with a large number of opportunities. Our current projects at Argonne focus on biogas production close to pipeline quality methane and lipid production as hydrocarbon precursors for the production of aviation range diesel.
Then we put it all together and we do analysis of that, and we look at the sustainability. If we made this fuel from this biomass feedstock, what is that impact on society? What is the greenhouse gas emissions? And Argonne is the lead lab across the US in doing that analysis.
At Argonne, we developed the GREET model. It's really a tool for examining the life cycle impacts of many different transportation technologies, including biofuels. So one advantage to using the GREET model to look at biofuel life cycle impacts is that we can compare on a consistent basis biofuel-powered vehicles with electric vehicles, compressed natural gas vehicles, fuel cell vehicles, so we can use a common and transparent platform to compare all these different technologies. One of our key objectives is to really get our research results out into the public to inform the debate over biofuels. We look to bring our information to policymakers to give them the best information possible, but also to the public through events like Argonne's Energy Slam. If we're going to move this sector away from fossil fuel dependence, we need to think of other alternatives, and I would argue that biofuels need to play a key role in this transition. It's just really hard to beat the energy density of liquid fuels.
I see the biofuel potential is to really provide rural communities with an option that's different from what they already have, and being diversified is actually the basis for prosperity.